Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to show you how to follow along in a science assignment in the Google Classroom. So what you are going to do first is you are going to click on your remote science learning classroom. I happen to be in 4th grade right now, and you're going to click on classwork. When you click on classwork, you're going to see all the assignments that I have posted so far. So this week is week of April 13th, so we click on assignment number 5, and it does say no due date. However, you are expected to work on it this week. And then it says make sure you read and follow along with the assignment doc. You will need to create a new Google Doc to turn in your assignment. Those are keywords. Create. You're going to need to create to record in, to type in. And when you're done typing, you have to click that turn in button. Okay? So when you do it, I have a Google Doc created already. I am in the teacher interface, so it does not look the same as you. However, in this upper corner, you will see a create button, just like mine. And when you click on that create button, it will say Google Doc. You click on that and it will pull up a blank document just like this. And instead of the share button, it will say turn in, okay? Now I gotta pull up the assignment and follow along with it. So step 1 is to create that Google Doc. So if you have not already, go back to the assignment, click on Create, Google Doc, and it will pop up and it will look just like this with turn in instead in this corner. Okay. Step 2, watch Mystery Doug. So this is a clickable link. So you need to click on the link and click on it again and it will pop up and you are going to watch the video. Now, in the video, I'm going to play just a little bit of it. In the video, it is going to have some questions for you. It's going to have stopping points, which are important because that's where I oftentimes will ask a question. So if the video pauses, what you should do is go back to the Google assignment and see if I wanted you to answer a question about that. Okay? So if we look at question number 3, it says record. Record is the keyword that you need to go back to the Google document that you created. When you go back to that Google document, you're going to record the answer to the question that I asked. So the question that I asked in this particular assignment is, which is also at the end here, the end of the video on Google on the Mystery Doug. It is, hold on, boys and girls, something happened. Record, do you think it is possible for a volcano to pop up where you live? Why or why not? Now, this is a similar question to a previous assignment, except there are new things here. It is the same video. There are new things, though. You can see I provided a sentence frame if you need it. If you want to use that sentence frame, you need to highlight it blue. And you have a copy. So mine is Command C. So I'm going to highlight it blue. I'm going to click on Command C so it copies it. And I'm going to go back to my Google Doc I created. Command V to paste it. And here's the sentence frame. So I think a volcano could pop up where I live. I think this because, okay, so I'm going to write do not think a volcano could pop up where I live. I think this way because, and I would fill in my reasoning here. Okay. Once you do that, you need to go back to the Google Doc and it says experiment. Okay. But before we do that, let's go back to Mystery Doug and watch and see what happens. So when you're back in Mystery Doug, he's going to be talking to you. Click over until you see the experiment come up. So this is the experiment. I have this for you on the assignment. So find a partner. It says get your maps. So it's explaining how to do it, except I have the maps for you already. So you can just scroll through these quickly. Okay? Now, here's what you need to do. If you had to describe where the volcanoes are, what would you say? So let's go back to the assignment and pull up the link that I have, volcano locations. My video is going to pause and I'm going to have to do part 2. So hold on, I will come back.